Hello and welcome to the configuration video for the course SER 322, Database Management, and its final project. This is for Group 21, which was composed by Kenneth, Bonilla, Timothy Resser, Jordan Wine, and myself, Ryan Pinto. Our project is a simple movie database web app written in PHP and drawing from a MySQL database that is provided by the XAMPP package, which conveniently joins Apache, MySQL, and PHP for us. This video will provide instructions to test functionality in a standard Windows environment. So the first thing we're going to do is install XAMPP, and the link for that is provided in the README file. Go ahead and go to that website, download and install XAMPP. When you do, configure it for local host use, since this is a practice environment. Next, go to the link for Git in the README file. Download and install that for your operating system. Go ahead now, once you've done all of that, open up the XAMPP control panel, which can be found on your desktop after installation. We're going to go ahead and start Apache and MySQL, which doesn't take very long at all. Go ahead and minimize that. The next step is going to be to extract mdb_scripts to a folder, which we have here. Go ahead and open that folder. Oops, that's the wrong one. And run debian_makedb, which will create your database and the necessary tables. Once that's done, we can close that, and we can confirm the database by opening up the XAMPP control panel again and clicking the admin button correlating to MySQL. That will open the PHP MyAdmin panel. If you click on databases, we can see the movie database is there, so we can close that. The next thing we're going to do is open the directory in your XAMPP installation, which in our case is just on our C drive in XAMPP, and then go into the htdocs folder and create a new folder. In this case, we just called the folder MDB. It's an empty folder, but we're going to copy everything from MDB_source code to this folder. Once that's done, we can close that, and then we can open our web browser, proceed to localhost /mdb/menu.php, and that will take us to the main menu of our application. If you go to About, you can see some information about the course and the authors. If we go back, if you click on Home, that will take you to the main querying section. The first couple of queries reflect some standard queries you might see in a similar web app. First, a search by keyword, and we'll just type in this keyword space. And we have movies that have the keyword space in their titles. If we go back, we have another standard search, which is by genre, which allows you to search from genres in the database and see the releases ordered by release date. And third, we have a list of all the movies in the database and some of the info, such as rating and genres they belong to. The last two are some options that demonstrate more complex SQL queries. The first one, to sort actors by popularity, i.e. the number of movies that they're in. You can see that here. And the last option, to search for non-action stars who have appeared in over 10 different genres excluding action. A pretty unique query right there. And that is going to conclude the demonstration of this SQL-based web app developed in PHP. Thank you for watching, and thank you from Group 21.